Hello, today we will guide you through how to enable DDoS protection in Cloudflare. In this walkthrough, we'll be working inside the Cloudflare dashboard to make sure your DNS record is proxied through Cloudflare. This is important because Cloudflare's DDoS protection is applied when traffic passes through its network, and enabling the proxy status is a key part of that setup. To begin, open your Cloudflare account home in your browser and sign in if needed. Once you're on the account homepage, you'll see the websites or domains that are currently connected to your account. From here, select the sample domain you want to configure. This will take you into that domain's management area where all of the key settings for traffic, DNS, and security are available. After opening the domain, move to the left-hand navigation menu and click DNS. This section is where Cloudflare stores and manages the records that connect your domain or subdomains to your server or hosting provider. Inside the DNS area, click Records to view the full list of DNS entries for that domain. Now locate the sample DNS record you want to update and click Edit. This opens the record settings so you can adjust how Cloudflare handles traffic for that specific entry. When editing a DNS record, it's a good idea to quickly confirm that you're modifying the correct one, especially if your domain has several entries with similar names. Next, find the proxy status option. This setting determines whether traffic goes directly to your origin server or is routed through Cloudflare first. To enable Cloudflare's protection, click Proxy Status so that the record is proxied through Cloudflare. When this is enabled, Cloudflare can help absorb and filter malicious traffic before it reaches your server, which is what provides the DDoS protection benefit for that record. If you manage multiple public-facing records, keep in mind that each one may need to be reviewed individually. Also, changes to DNS settings can take a little time to reflect depending on your configuration. So if you don't see the expected behavior right away, give it a few moments and then verify the record again. And that's it. You've now updated the DNS record in Cloudflare so traffic can be proxied through Cloudflare's network, helping enable DDoS protection for that part of your site or service.